How to start investing even with little money. Ultimate guide for Filipinos. Kamusta po? It's Cloud and Skye here again. And today, we're going straight to the big question. Pwede ba talagang mag-invest kahit maliit lang ang pera? Maraming Pinoy ang gustong mag-invest, pero ang unang tanong parati is, kailangan ba malaki ang pera para makapag-invest? And the answer is, no. Kahit maliit na amount, pwedeng magsimula. At marami ng Filipinos ang nagpatunay nito, lalo na ngayong 2025. Today, I'll show you exactly how to start investing kahit maliit lang ang pera, backed by research, data, and practical steps na kayang-kaya mo gawin starting today. Alam ko iniisip mo, kulang nga sweldo ko, paano pa ako mag-i-invest? Pambayad utang nga muna. Mag-iipon muna ako pag okay na economy. But here's the truth. You don't wait to get rich to start investing. You get rich because you started. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps, proven methods, real numbers, and Filipino-friendly investments na kaya mong simulan with 50, 100, 500, or 1,000 pesos. Let's change your financial story today. The reality why Filipinos can't start. Bago tayo mag-invest, let's understand the real reason bakit hirap tayo magsimula. Hard reality check. Based on latest data, inflation in PH continues to stay above 4 to 5%, higher than ideal. Purchasing power of peso has dropped almost 17% in 5 years. 64% of Filipinos have zero investments. BSP Financial Inclusion Survey. 75% live paycheck to paycheck. 2% rely on one income stream only. Over P1.3 trillion in household debt. 2025 updated BSP report. Add this. A typical Filipino family now needs 10,000 to 18,000 pesos more per month just to survive compared to 2019. So, if you feel stuck, it's not your fault. The system was not built to help you, but you can beat the system by getting smarter with money. And the first step is investing, kahit maliit lang. Step 1. Fix your cash flow first. Hindi tayo pwede mag-invest kung ubos agad ang pera every month. The Filipino leakage problem. Research insight. Studies from PIDS reveal that the biggest reason Filipinos can't save is not major bills. It's the daily untracked gastos, like 99 to 199 pesos online sale items, 120 pesos milk tea, 200 to 300 pesos delivery fees, 250 pesos, Grab rides, 109 pesos online sale items, 50 pesos GCash convenience fees. On average, these hidden expenses cost Filipinos 3,200 to 6,500 pesos per month. That money alone can fund your MP2, index funds, or REITs. What you do, track expenses for 7 days. Identify 2-3 items you can cut temporarily. Reallocate savings to investments. I'm not asking you to deprive yourself. I'm asking you to redirect money to something more important. Step 2. Build a 10,000 pesos. Starter emergency fund. People always say, bago ka mag-invest, dapat may 3 to 6 months emergency fund. Sure, pero let's be real. For most Filipinos, that's not realistic. That's why we use the 10,000 pesos starter fund method. Why 10,000 pesos? Fast to build, protects you from emergencies, prevents forced selling of investments, gives psychological safety to continue investing. Based on behavioral finance studies, consistent savers start small. 10K muna. Pag na-achieve mo, saka mo i-level up. Step 3. Destroy high-interest debt. First, Kung may credit card debt ka, this part is for you. PH credit card. Interest rates 2025 data 24% to 36% per year, up to 3% monthly, higher than MP2 REITs, index funds and even real estate returns. Which means if you invest at 7% but owe credit cards at 30%, lugi ka every single month. Solution: debt roll-up method. List all debts, pay minimum on all. Attack smallest balance. Once paid, roll that amount to next debt. Repeat until debt-free. Average Filipinos using this method finish debt 6 to 18 months faster. Step 4. Start investing. Even with small amounts. Now here's the fun part. Let's talk about investments you can start with little money. Option 1. MP2 savings. Best for beginners. Minimum 500 pesos. Return 6 to 7% historically. Why good? Government-backed, tax-free, flexible, very safe. Option 2. Digital banks. High interest savings. Examples: Cbank, GoTime, Maya, Tonic, Union. Digital rates 4 to 10% promo. Best for emergency fund and short-term goals. Option 3. Index and dividend funds via GCash, COL, Seedbox. Minimum 50, 100, 1,000 pesos. Average returns 6 to 10%. Long-term, best for 5 to 10 years horizon. Beginners, low capital earners. Why it works? You benefit from the overall growth of big companies in the PH. Option 4. REITs. Real estate for everyone. Minimum 1,000 pesos. Dividend yields 5 to 7% yearly. Examples: ARET, MAREIT, RCR, FILRT. You become a part owner of big buildings, offices, malls, BPO centers. Option 5. Treasury bills and government bonds. Minimum 5,000 pesos. Why good? Very low risk, better than bank interest, government-backed, great for medium-term savings. Option 6. Insurance with living benefits. Minimum 1,500 to 3,000 pesos per month. Benefits: tax-free growth, market-linked gains, downside protection, life insurance, long-term care rider, cash value accumulation. Best for long-term retirement strategy, parents, OFWs, high earners. Anyone who wants protection plus investment at the same time. Step 5. Automate your investing. Automation is the secret weapon of successful investors. Research insight. According to a 2024 Vanguard study, people who automate invest has 76% more than those who don't. How to automate? Auto transfer to MP2 monthly. Auto invest in Seedbox GCash. Auto deposit portion of salary to investment wallet. Apply the 10% rule. Pay yourself first. Invest first. Spend what's left, not the other way around. Step 6. Start a side hustle to grow capital. Kung maliit ang income, hindi budgeting ang sagot. It's earning more. Here are Filipino side hustles that can generate 1,000, 5,000 pesos extra per month with minimal capital. 1. Online reselling. Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Start 2,000 pesos. Income is 2,000 to 10,000 pesos per month. Hot products, gadgets, pet supplies, skincare. 2. Freelancing, VA, editing, social media. Start 0 income, 3 to 12 pesos per hour in USD. 3. Cloud kitchen, food trays. Start 3,000, 10,000 pesos. High demand for Silog meals, wings, Korean trays, pasta trays. 4. TikTok shop affiliate. Start 0. Just create short videos. Earn commissions per sale. 5. Digital microservices. Thumbnails, captions, AI art, posters, logo creation. Income 300 to 1,000 pesos per client. Step 7. Scale up slowly. Once you start investing, your next goal is to increase your contributions little by little. Example: if you invest 1,000 pesos per month at 7% return, in 10 years is 240,000 pesos, and 20 years is 520,000 plus pesos. If you invest 3,000 pesos per month for 20 years, will be 1.5 million pesos potential. It's not about investing big, it's about investing consistently. Final message. All of us Filipinos are hardworking, pero hard work alone is not enough in 2025 and beyond. Kailangan ng smart work plus smart money moves. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. Start with 50. Start with 100. Start with 500 pesos. What matters is you start today. Your future self will thank you for this decision.